Can you say good morning to Grandma and Grandpa, Kaden? Can you say good morning? Yeah, I got the hiccups. What's that, Kaden? Yeah? Say good morning. Can you have smiles? So I got the hiccups and I'm not too happy. See, I'm not too happy this morning. See, I got hiccups. Aww. Are you talking? Ooh. You talking? You talking? Say hi, Grandma, Grandpa. I want to smile for you. Say hi, Kaden. You're so cute. Smile. Can you smile? Smile. Oh. Aw, yes. Look at that CFC. Uh-oh. What kind of noises are those? What are you trying to say? What are you trying to say? No. Come here, Mia. Give your brother a kiss. Mia. Oh, big yawn. Uh-oh. Hi, Mia. What are you saying over here? Oh, Kaden. It's okay. What you saying? Say good morning. Oh, honey. Oh, you are too cute. What's up? Talk to me, Kaden. Talk to me. Where's those smiles? Can I see them? Where are they? Let me see a smile. Let me see a smile. Oh, I get a yawn first? Are you tired? Let me see a smile. Oh, don't cry, baby. Don't cry. Okay. Say bye-bye, Grandma, Grandpa. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. I'll catch you next time when I'm in a better mood. Oh. Say I love you. Kaden, say I love you. Okay. All right. Bye-bye.